This short video will show you how to create a certificate like this one in Google Docs. First part shows you how to format the text and page, and the second part will show you how to do the nice ribbon at the bottom of the certificate. Before we create the ribbon at the bottom of the page, let's format the page and text first. So go to Page Setup, let's change it to Landscape and make it 1 centimeter for the margins. And we'll also change the color. Click OK. Now let's center all the text. And now let's format all the text lines. So that's all the text and page formatting done. Now let's add the ribbon. To insert the ribbon graphic, click at the bottom of the text and insert the drawing canvas. Once in the canvas, insert a shape, and the first shape we'll insert is the ribbon shape. Stretch it across, and now we'll add the 32-bit star. Drag that. Center it. And now we'll add 2 circle shapes inside. One, and we'll add a second one. And that's our basic ribbon shape. We can change the fill color as well to a nice gold color for all the shape elements. Like so. And the star. And we can also add a little text box in the center with EDS for the initials for the company. So we click on text, type EDS, click Save and Close, and there you have your certificate with the ribbon below. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to support the channel.